Fantom at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after we got rejected within our key area of resistance between the 1.3064 and the 1.1957. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and on today's update video I will be discussing two possible scenarios that can play out in the next coming hours. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, where you can see that on sign up you can now claim up to 6,200 USDT worth of BTC as a welcome gift. And all you need for registration is an email address, and alternatively you can use your phone number for registration. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first briefing you on this ABC corrective structure that is playing out here on the charts, where we have the wave A high above the $1.4. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave A, giving us a low below the $1 mark. Then we started a bounce yesterday in the formation of this wave B, whose minimum target areas I gave you on my previous videos by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the wave A to the low of that wave A, giving me a minimum target area for the wave B between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And that was between the 1.3 and the $1.1977, the area that I have marked here on the charts using this yellow target area, an area that is now giving us a rejection to the lower side in what I now believe is the start of a pullback in the formation of this wave C that should give us lower prices. And once we fully maximize the minimum target areas for this wave C, then that will be completing an even larger Elliot wave count 4 that I have here on the charts. And the minimum target areas for that Elliot wave count 4 were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 on the 4th of November to the highs above the $1.4, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliot wave count 4 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.382, and that was between the 1.064 and the 0.9625, the area that I have marked here on the charts using this retarget area. So in case in the next coming hours you continue seeing further breakdown moves, this is the area to pay attention to, because I will be expecting this wave C to fully maximize the target area, give us a low for this wave 4 before we can finally start another impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of this Elliot wave count 5. We also need to have in mind that since we had seen a bit of a breakdown move into the target area, there are also chances that we could have a low in place in the formation of this Elliot wave count 4. And if by any chance the bulls get back into the market and we see a push to the upside, giving us a break to the upper side of this resistance area highlighted on the charts in yellow, and also manage to break above the high we made above the $1.4, then that will be unlocking a more bullish case scenario where we can easily see higher prices in the next coming days in the formation of these Elliot wave count 5. And that movement to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 should easily get us back above the 1.5 and the $1.7 in the next coming days. So those are the two possible scenarios that I'm paying attention to here on the Fantom chart on the short term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.